Papa, this is a miracle. This woman said 5 years ago, after she put to bath, her womb came out. And while you were ministry just now, you gave prophetic word. As soon as you gave that word, where she was sitting, the womb that came out went back inside.
There's a woman, your womb came out. Your womb came out. And they said they have to do an operation. You touch it, you are feeling, you can touch it. It is down. They said they have to do an operation to just push it back and up. Check it now, check it. Check it. Check it. It's gone inside, gone back, properly positioned.
She is free now to the glory of God.
Is this how? Where are you from?
Kaduna.
You're from Kaduna?
Yes, sir.
Did you come alone?
Yes, sir.
Alone. Where's your pastor? Oh. Huh? I know him, I know him. You know about the situation?
My hand used to be stiff, now they are free.
Say that again.
And this hand used to be stiff, now it's free.
Lift your hands. Father, baptize her with fire. Now, touch. Baptize her with fire. 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 Pastor, come. I'm asking Lord for grace upon him like never before. Touch, touch,